Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by shutting down and unplugging everything so nothing interferes. First, reset the SMC on Intel Macs. Hold Option plus Shift plus Control and press power for 10 seconds, then release and start normally. Once done, boot into safe mode by holding Shift on startup to isolate software issues. This removes third-party drivers temporarily and shows whether the keyboard works without extras. Make sure to note if keys respond in safe mode before moving to deeper steps. Now focus on software. Update Mac OS to the latest version to patch known keyboard bugs. You should inspect System Settings keyboard and remove extra input sources or remapping tools. These often block input. Once done, check accessibility settings and disable any on-screen keyboard or key remapping. If the problem persists, uninstall recent apps or kernel extensions you added. Also create a new user account and log in there to determine whether the issue is system-wide or tied to your profile. Finish with hardware verification. Connect an external USB or Bluetooth keyboard to confirm whether the issue is internal. Inspect the keyboard for debris or sticky keys. You can blow compressed air between keys at an angle, but avoid liquids. If certain keys are physically damaged or the keyboard still fails after resets and software fixes, the problem is likely hardware. The top case or keyboard assembly may need replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.